Hello everyone, I'm Nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel Nutrifond. Today I will share with you all our noodles recipe. Noodles could be healthy also if you make this at your home by following this method which I will share with you all. And I'm not suggesting you to go and have noodles outside in any restaurant because they are not healthy. But if you follow this method, this is healthy noodles. And why I am telling it healthy noodles, for that I will share with you all the nutritive value of this dish at the end of this video. So check out this video till the end. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to this video and go and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, and press the bell icon right next to it. And if you still haven't followed Nutrifond over Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then check out the link in the description box and go and follow over there. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.